In this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your Google search country. So if you are in google.com and then on the bottom left corner here you will see your search country. So in my country is Bangladesh. How you can change this? To change this, on the bottom right side here you will see settings. Just click on that. Now go to the search settings. Now on the left panel go to the other settings. Now here you will see language and region. Just click on that. And on the bottom here you will see region. Just click on current region. Now you can choose any of country and then click on confirm. Now if you go back to google.com, then you will see the country is changed. So this is how you can change Google search country. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.